Driving is a rite of passage for many teenagers, bringing a newfound sense of freedom and independence. However, along with the open road comes a practical reality check: auto insurance. Navigating the cost of auto insurance for teenage drivers can be a challenging task for both parents and young drivers themselves. In this conversation, let's dive into the world of teenage drivers and auto insurance, exploring the factors that influence costs and some strategies for keeping those costs and those premiums in check. So, your teenager just got their driver's license. Cue a mix of pride and anxiety. While you're thrilled they're reaching milestones, there's an inevitable concern about what that means for your auto insurance rates. Spoiler alert, it's likely going up. Why? Well, teenage drivers, especially those new to the road, are often perceived as higher risk by insurance companies. Insurance companies are like cautious guardians, assessing risks to protect their assets and their interests. And statistically speaking, teenagers, bless their adventurous hearts, are more prone to accidents. The lack of experience, combined with a dash of impulsiveness, makes insurers a bit jittery. As a result, premiums tend to reflect their perceived risk. It's like the universe conspiring to add financial subplot to the already dramatic teen driving saga. Now let's talk numbers. Brace yourself. The increase in insurance premiums when you add a teen driver to your policy can be, well, substantial. It's not uncommon for rates to double or even triple. Ouch, right? But fear not, there are ways to navigate these stormy insurance waters without feeling like they've been hit by a financial hurricane. Firstly, consider the type of car your teenager will be driving. That sporty, turbocharged number might be a dream, but it can quickly turn into a financial nightmare when it comes to insurance. Opting for a sensible, reliable car with good safety features can help keep premiums from skyrocketing. Insurance companies see a responsible car choice as a sign that your teenager might not be auditioning for the next Fast and Furious installment. The concept of bundling is another gem in the treasure trove of insurance strategies. No, it doesn't involve winter jackets. It's about bundling your auto insurance policies. If you have multiple vehicles or other insurance needs, combining them under one insurance provider can often lead to discounts. It's like getting a family-sized bag of chips instead of buying individual snack packs. You get more for less. Now let's talk about the holy grail of discounts: the good student discount. Yes, your teenager's academic prowess can actually be a financial superhero. Many insurers offer discounts to students who maintain good grades. It's their way of saying, hey, we recognize your dedication to studies. Maybe that translates to responsible road behavior too. Speaking of responsibility, encourage your teenager to complete a defensive driving course. Not only does it equip them with valuable skills to navigate the unpredictable roads, but it can also earn them a discount on insurance. It's like investing in their safety and getting a bonus in the form of lower premiums. It's a win-win. Remember, communication is key. Have an open conversation with your teenager about the costs associated with being added to the insurance policy. Make them aware that responsible driving not only keeps them safe, but can also contribute to keeping those premiums at a more manageable level. It's a life lesson that extends beyond the road. Responsible actions have positive consequences. While we're on the topic of responsibility, let's talk about the deductible. That's the amount you agree to pay out of pocket in the event of a claim. Before the insurance kicks in, that is. Choosing a higher deductible can reduce your premiums. It's a bit like saying, I'll cover the small hiccups, you take care of the big stuff. It wouldn't be a bad idea to have your teenager, save up a few bucks, maybe the entire deductible, so they've got some skin on the line, right? If they know that they lose out on all that money, well, guess what? They might drive just a little bit safer. Oh, and don't forget the wonders of comparison shopping. In the digital age, it's easier to compare quotes than any other time in the past. Each company has its own formula for calculating premiums, so shopping around could unveil some hidden gems, like that budget-friendly policy you didn't know existed. In conclusion, insuring a teenage driver is like embarking on a roller coaster ride. It's exhilarating, a bit scary, and can have unexpected twists. However, with a strategic approach, a dash of responsibility, and some open communication, you can navigate the costs of auto insurance without feeling like you're on the world's most expensive amusement park ride. And, who knows, This journey might just teach your teenager a thing or two about financial responsibility, a lesson that will serve them well beyond their driving years.